So today we're at the BETT 2018 event in Excel in London. This is my first one this year. We're demonstrating the Immersive Space off to everyone here, new, old and returning customers. So the Immersive Space is basically a fully interactive, immersive environment where all three walls and the floor are fully immersive and interactive, and basically you can get entire groups of children, adults and anyone else in between completely involved in an educational learning capacity or fun and interactive way. So far the reaction's been extremely positive. It's been very busy as well. We've got new brochures, we've got new flyers, new videos, and we've got new scenes that we're showing off on the space today from the event last year as well. So generally everyone's been really positive, very encouraging, everyone's keen to get involved, and we've literally had groups of certain times of certain people coming in and getting fully interactive and immersed in the environment. So my role is as an IT and training engineer for the company. So any new rooms that we go and commission, it'll be my job to take the PC equipment and make sure that's all hooked up, all the interactivity is working, make sure that all the floors, the sensors, the cameras are all fully functional. That'll also include following up with training, so we don't just leave people hanging with a new room. We have a welcome guide that will detail them through the basics. I'll detail them through things like controlling the scenes, using the technology, and then if feeling positive and confident with that, we'll go into further things like creating scenes, uploading new content, recording new content on the 360 camera. On top of this, after the first 12 months, we now do offer different maintenance packages. So these won't only just cover your needs for the room if any hardware faults occur, but they also include any new additional content that we create after you've originally purchased the Immersive Space. And we can basically come out and we'll do a maintenance visit to make sure everything's checked and okay as it is. And we'll also upload all our new video content or simulation content to go along with that as well. Even outside of the maintenance packages or the maintenance agreements, we do have an offer on-site support. So even if we can't get out straight away to fix the issue, there's always somebody available to be able to dial in and respond and acknowledge your request, so you're never left alone as an end user after purchasing one of our rooms.